When Édouard Manet unveiled Olympia at the 1865 Paris Salon, the canvas ignited a firestorm that would redefine modern art. Unlike the idealized goddesses and mythic nudes that dominated academic painting, Manet presented a contemporary Parisian courtesan, pale, unflinching, and utterly real, reclining on rumpled sheets with a direct gaze that seemed to challenge every viewer who met her eyes. Her hand confidently shields her intimacy, while a black cat arches its back at her feet and a maid offers a bouquet of flowers, details that rooted the scene in gritty, everyday life rather than lofty fantasy. Critics derided it as vulgar and immoral, claiming Manet had desecrated the sacred tradition of nude portraiture. Crowds grew so hostile that guards were stationed beside the work to prevent vandalism. Yet beneath the outrage lay a revolutionary act. Manet had stripped away artistic pretense to confront society with the unvarnished truth of desire, class, and power in 19th-century France, turning a scandal into a landmark moment that pushed painting toward the bold experiments of Impressionism and beyond.